I think I'm all ready. Because I realized I didn't. Oh, isn't that just kind of quick?
Oh, God. I got to turn you up so I can hear you. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Oh, now you're too loud. I got to turn you down. Just kidding. Welcome
Nice.
back to Two Cousins Cooking. But now, today,
This was our pixie day.
was our pick. I picked
Yeah, we're doing our pick.
chicken baked potato, and Melanie picked stuffed pasta shells. And she's just putting her own little twist on it to make it the way that her family likes. That's what cooking is about.
Here's the shells. I already got them done.
Yeah, so she put them in and she cooked them really al dente so that they're a bit pliable so she can stuff them without breaking them, but they're not fully cooked, so they won't fall apart neither.
No, and they will cook more once they're in the sauce.
They're going to be cooking for.
It said 10 minutes, so I cooked them for about 8.
Yeah.
Just to give that a little bit of. So I got 7 sausage.
Melanie's doing a double batch, so when she's gonna do 2 batches, so
I got 7 sausage, and I'm gonna put them in the frying pan with a little bit of olive oil, and then I got up an onion, green pepper, and red pepper. I'll take it.
You took the sausage out of the casing.
Yeah, yes, I did. Sausage out of casing. Now I put in frying pan.
Oh gosh.
Oh, you can't really see it.
That's okay. We can imagine. Hey, Mel?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cook this up till it's nice and brown, and then we can come back and talk to you.
Well, you don't like your veggies really soft, so Melanie's waiting until the sausage is pretty much cooked before she sautés them a bit, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook the sausage first, and I'm gonna add the veggies and just stir them around a little bit because I like a crunch in my food.
Yeah.
And so they're not gonna be soft.
So she cut them up really small.
Yeah, I didn't. Mine are a little chunky. Oh, see?
Oh, well, they'll fit in the shells. That's all that matters.
They should fit in the shells.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Hey guys, I got this all done up. And I got it crumpled up as much as I can. I drained quite a bit of grease off because I don't want everything watery and soaked down. And now I'm going to add my veggies.
Oh.
And I'm just going to let that go for just a few minutes, just get her blended. Oh, where am I at here?
Yummy now.
So I don't want to turn the light on because I know it'll wash it out. Here.
After you're finished sauteing it up, you could turn it off and then add your cheese in a few minutes or so.
Okay. You want to tell me how much garlic, or do I got to go look?
Well, like you're making 2 batches. Like it's 2 to 4 cloves for a batch of it, because depending on how much you like garlic, right? So people like a lot more garlic than that. So that's why I say like 2 to 4 cloves minced up really fine, chopped up really fine, or minced up really fine.
So then I'm going to add some salt and pepper.
Yeah.
I won't add too much salt because I find sausage salty.
And not only that, you're going to be putting parm in it.
And yeah, I got to put the parmesan in.
Yeah. Parm, like you could sprinkle like a tablespoon in your mixture now if you want.
Okay.
And then add half of your cheese and just set it aside because you don't want to try to stuff the shells when it's mega hot.
Show you what it looks like, guys. Move everything out of the way. Here's what it looks like.
Gonna be so yummy, Melanie.
I know, I can't wait to have some.
Okay, now I'll throw this here one together. Oh, is your oven is preheated to 375, eh, Mel?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Mine is preheated to 350. And now I'm
And
going
this
to,
is my pick that Jerry picked.
yeah. So the only thing that I did differently is that I didn't peel my potatoes. So like you can peel them if you want, peeps. 9x9 baking dish. Can you see that? So two medium russet potatoes, but mine were kind of small, so I used 4 small ones. 2 chicken breasts cooked and cubed. Like they're just chunks, cubes, chunks, whatever.
Yeah, you don't want to put in raw chicken.
So they're already, we cooked them up and they're ready. Okay. So now I put, this is 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And now I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of, what do you call it?
Ranch.
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 Oh,
Doesn't that have bacon?
yeah, I have bacon. One
Oh,
thing
okay.
is, mine is a non-stick, but you can lightly grease your pan, it says. And then it says drizzle this on. Right? Mix it up a little.
Oh my God, I could eat it just like that.
And then
Oh, look, Jerry walking away today.
the bacon. And then it says 2 tablespoons of butter. So I cut it up. Drizzle that on. And then it calls for a cup of cheese. Put half of it on now. But I actually grated a bit more than a cup because.
I do too. I put more on too then.
So I'm putting half of the cheese on.
Looks good, Jerry.
And half of a couple of, like I have green onion here. So a couple of stems of green onion. So half of the green onion, it says. And then 2 strips of bacon.
If you like more bacon, you can add more bacon.
And this is bacon. I like to call it. It's vegan bacon, so it's already pre-cooked stuff. But if you're doing bacon, cook up as much as you want, I guess. Strain the fat off and then throw it on. You don't have to have it.
Jerry can't have regular bacon, so.
Yeah, so I got to. If I want to enjoy this, I had to do it this way, so that I can.
We had to modify for Jerry.
Yeah. Otherwise, the guys would get to eat it all, and I would get none. So I'm going to put this in the oven for covered. I'm going to put foil over it for like about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, it says, and then uncover it for 15, 20 minutes, and the last 10 of it, put the rest of the cheese on.
Oh my God, we love this dish. We love it.
How easy is that, Mel?
Yeah. I am just going to put my sauce on the bottom here. Because I'm going to start stuffing my shells.
And you can use whatever sauce you want.
Whatever you like. Whatever you desire.
Yeah, Melanie's mixing it up a bit with some enchilada sauce on the bottom and herb blend marinara type of sauce on top.
That's great. Here you own some SMRT, she is.
I know. I'm just telling them what you're doing.
Shell.
And Melanie, did you add your cheese?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yeah. I think my what you call it's a little big. My sausage. So then we're just going to put them in.
And then we'll just keep doing that and we'll be right back.
In a bit, guys.
Look at that. It's coming along, people.
Coming, guys. Just a little time consuming.
It'll be worth it.
It will be. What
time did I put the potatoes in? I got 10 more minutes. I got to take them out and then put the cheese on it.
I'm gonna get up. I just gotta grab tin foil.
Okay.
That's pretty good. That's the first time I walked away today.
Doing good there, Mel.
Oh, that looks good.
And then your cheese and wrap her up, girl.
You know, me and cheese. I'll just put that on for now because I am going to add more. So
yeah, and then the last after it's cooked, just take pretty much after it's cooked, like you take the cover off and throw more cheese on and put it back in for 10 minutes.
And I'm just going to put some jalapenos on it. I was going to get regular, like just ones and do it myself, but not fun. Nervous. And we'll put this in.
Probably for about 45 minutes. 45 minutes.
I'll set my timer and.
But you can check it at 35 if you want, Mel.
Okay.
It just depends on how your shells were when you put them in.
They were pretty soft. I just left them.
Oh, okay.
They weren't like hard.
Right.
They were just to the point where they were almost cooked, and there might have if it had went another 2 minutes, it would have been cooked.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I took them off, I rinsed them right under cold water to stop them from cooking.
Right.
So.
Okay. I need another few minutes before I put the cheese on top of mine too. So we'll come back. Okay, guys. So it's been in there for about 45 minutes with the foil on. So now I took the foil off because the potatoes are nice and tender now.
And it looks really good.
Now I'm going to put the rest of my cheese on.
I can smell it from here.
Smell-o-vision, Mel.
Smell-o-vision. Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
Not really. For our channel, yes. But there are other ones I'm not too sure about. And I also want to just save some of these too to put on top.
Oh, okay. No, it looks good.
All right, I'm going to put that back in for 10, 15 minutes. I'm going to take out my. Oh my gosh, Melanie. It's bubbling goodness.
Oh, it looks good. Oh my God, yeah, that looks really good.
Doesn't it look awesome?
Yeah, look at the bubbling.
I know. It's very hot, but I need to try a piece. You want to
Get
know
a little
what?
bit,
And
get a little bit of everything.
don't be nervous like of the liquid that you first see in it from pouring in the heavy cream, because it just gets absorbed by the potatoes and everything after you take the cover off,
Yeah.
and evaporate some too.
Get a piece of chicken and a piece of
Piece of chicken.
bacon.
Is that chicken? Yeah, that's chicken.
Get a potato, chicken, and bacon and cheese.
I don't know how I'm going to do that, Melanie. Bossy kids.
Get a little bit of everything. Oh, look at the cheese.
Okay. That's 2 pieces of chicken. Oh, well, it is what it is right now. I have to take 2 bites.
There you go.
Yeah. Or me, eh?
Don't burn your tongue, for God's sake.
Mm-mm-mm.
Doesn't the ranch give it a nice little taste? Like a little tang to it?
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to, you could probably put green pepper, red pepper on the top, or sour cream.
Yes, I found the heavy cream mixed with the ranch made like a sour cream.
Yep. But like you said, it's just a guideline. You can add to it if you want. And
Yeah, you can put jalapenos on this. I'm going to throw some jalapenos on top.
oh, I bet you that'd be good.
Yeah, because the guys like the jalapenos on it, so that's really good, Mel.
Thank you, Jerry.
We'll put the recipes below, guys. Melanie's going to show us hers when she comes back with her.
Yeah, and Jerry got to take a picture of that before everybody starts eating it.
I'll do that now. That looks good, Mel.
Oh, it smells fantastic.
That's awesome.
I'm just going to put a little bit more cheese on it and just stick it in and bubbling everywhere.
It's swimming in sauce and cheese.
Oh, whatever.
So, and then you just have to put it back in just for a couple minutes now, just to
Just
melt
for a
that
couple.
cheese.
Yeah. I got it. I just put it on a little plate so it doesn't look goofy looking all by itself.
That looks nice and cheesy, Mel.
Oh, there's all the stuff in it. And then I'll take a little bite. I don't know if you just want to see me eating. I know you are saying, oh my God, can I have some? But the answer is no.
Melanie doesn't share very well.
Oh my God. That is.
Yeah,
I got a jalapeno.
Evan's going to be happy. He loves it.
Evan loves them.
Yeah.
He'd eat these every day of the week.
Now, guys, we need you guys to do something. You got to share out our videos. Mel and I have been stuck at, trying to grow. We've been doing this for a year. We need you to help.
We need help.
We need help. It's on so many levels.
Oh, that's good. That's good, guys.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff.
Right. And then we'll see you next week.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye.